In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 2x2 pictures using Google Docs, a handy feature that can simplify your document creation process, especially when it comes to inserting images of a specific size. Whether it's for a resume, ID photos, or any other specific documentation needs, creating 2x2 pictures directly within Google Docs can save both time and effort. Let's start by opening Google Docs in your browser. It's always a good idea to sign into your Google account if you haven't already, to make sure you can access all your saved documents seamlessly. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, either open up an existing document you want to work on or create a new one. With your document open, we want to insert the image that you intend to resize. To do this, click on Insert from the top menu, then hover over Image, and proceed to choose Upload from Computer, Drive, Photos, or any other option that suits where your intended picture is stored. Once you've selected and uploaded your image, it should appear in the document. The next step is to resize it to the exact 2x2 dimensions. For that, click on the image to select it. You should see small blue squares or handles around the border of your image. By clicking and dragging these, you can adjust the size of your picture. However, to set an exact size, we will be using a more precise method. Right-click on the image, and from the drop-down menu, choose Image Options. This will open a panel to the right of your document. Inside the Image Options panel, navigate to the Size and Rotations section. Here, you'll find fields labeled Width and Height. Make sure the Lock Aspect Ratio is unchecked, as this will allow you to independently set the width and height without them automatically adjusting. Now, input 2 in both the width and height fields. This will resize your image to precisely 2 inches by 2 inches. It's worth mentioning that if you're working with ID photos or any official documentation, it's essential to confirm that you're using the right dimensions and scale, as requirements may vary by document type or institution. Also, be mindful of maintaining image quality. Enlarging small pictures can cause them to appear pixelated, so always start with a high-resolution image if possible. Once you're satisfied with how your 2x2 image looks, simply click anywhere in the document to deselect the image. Your newly resized picture is now part of your Google document, ready to be printed or shared as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a 2x2 picture in Google Docs. This simple yet effective skill can be incredibly helpful for various tasks, whether personal or professional. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different images and document settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Docs tips and tricks.